Happy Sunday to everyone. I don't want to disturb you, but in whole day, what you are going to do, just watch videos, the remaining cell series or respiration or heart, whatever you want. Just go through it, and we'll conduct online test in next Sunday. Okay, and we'll announce the three winners if you will get the good marks in the test. All right. So next organelle is mitochondria. It is next part of cell series. Alright. The structure of mitochondria is like this. It is double membrane structure. Alright. This is inner membrane. What we call that foldings, finger-like projections, it cristae. This is outer membrane. Outer membrane. And what is present here? This is called mitochondrial matrix. Alright. And what are the other things are present here? It has its own ribosomes and DNA. Alright. DNA. And what is mitochondrial matrix works for, or what is the main function of that mitochondrial matrix? See, if you are making a own house, अगर बड़ा घर बनाया आपने 5 to 6 फ्लोर का, उसमें सब कुछ है, लिफ्ट वगैरह है, सब कुछ, लेकिन उसमें पावर स्टेशन या मतलब इलेक्ट्रिसिटी नहीं रहेगी तो कुछ काम करेगा वो हाउस? या एक आध कॉलोनी आप जहाँ पे रहते हो वहाँ पे पावर नहीं रहेगी या इलेक्ट्रिसिटी नहीं रहेगी तो कुछ काम करेगा वहाँ पे रहना करना? बिल्कुल नहीं. मोबाइल चार्ज नहीं कर पाएंगे, रात को टीवी या मोबाइल कुछ भी, रात में अंधेरा रहेगा. सो फॉर एवरीथिंग वी रिक्वायर पावर, and for our body, for our cells, mitochondria provide that power. That's why we call it powerhouse of cell. Why we call it powerhouse of cell? Because it provide the power or the energy or the ATP which is required for the cell to perform the activities of our body. That's why we call it powerhouse of cell. But what is the form of energy? Means where we eat the food but we don't get the energy. Means I am talking about the usable form of energy. Mitochondria provide usable form of energy. What is usable form of energy? That is ATP. अगर आप सब्जी लाने मार्केट गए हो, सब्जी लेने के बाद उसको क्या आप देते हो? पैसे दोगे, चेक दोगे, या टॉयलेट पेपर दोगे, या हैंकरचीफ दोगे, या कपड़े दोगे? कैश, क्योंकि बाकी कुछ नहीं दे पाओगे. तो वैसे ही एटीपी इज अ करेंसी मॉलिक्यूल, एनर्जी करेंसी मॉलिक्यूल which can our cell spend immediately. So ATP is energy rich molecule. Another there are two molecules present who are also energy rich, that is NADH2 and FADH2, but they are like cash form, check form, but ATP is in the form of cash. What is full form? Adenine triphosphate. All right. So actual, this is inner. Why they are foldings? They are increasing the surface area. If the surface area is higher, the ATP production is higher, right? The surface area is higher. If more foldings are there, then ATP production is more and more. So what is present here in the matrix? There are tons of chemicals are present who perform the synthesis of ATP, like phosphorylation. In aerobic respiration, only glycolysis occurs in cytoplasm, and remaining all the reactions carried out in the mitochondria. For that, all reactions, enzymes are here to convert all that material into the ATP. And what is function of DNA? With the help of DNA, mitochondria able to replicate on their own cell. Like cell divide होगी तभी mitochondria divide होगा? नहीं. Mitochondria can able to replicate on his own, and mitochondria also synthesize their own proteins, right? Synthesize own protein, replicate on her own or her or his. You guys decide, is it his gender, either male or female? Okay, so this is all about the mitochondria. It is powerhouse of cell because it produces ATP. ATP is energy rich molecule, and it provide the cell it provide the energy in usable form. All right, and inner membrane is folded cristae. आपको पता नहीं होगा तो यहाँ से जब यहाँ से ATP प्रोड्यूस होता है, यहाँ पे क्या F0 F1 पार्टिकल होते हैं, लेकिन फाउंडेशन के लिए इतना डीप नहीं जाना है. जब हम नीट के लिए वीडियो बनाएंगे तब थोड़ा और ज़्यादा डिटेल में जाएंगे. This is all about the basics for the mitochondria, and please request share this video with your family and friends, and subscribe to the channel, and thank you for your support.